Hi, in this video we will see how to use makeline function in Tableau. So makeline is a spatial function which helps to create a line between 2 points. So in order to use this function, let's create one calculation field. And we will use makeline. So here we can see here this function will return the line constructed from 2 points. So here this function takes two input as a start point and an end point. So in this case, in our dataset we do not have any point, so we have to create point for that. So there is a function called make point. We have to use that function inside this function, and uh, let's take a value as a 12 comma negative of 56, and the end value we have to use. We also have to another make point function for the end point. We will take minus of 90 comma 35. So I just took the random number to create a point. So if I click on the apply button, and we can see our function has been created, make line function. And if I double click on this function, and so we can see here our line has been created on the map. So this is the line that is showing from South Africa to Antarctica. So if I want to change the line, we just have to change the number over here. If I take the value as a 56 comma 56, and here positive of 90 and negative of 35. If I click on apply, so our line has been changed. So you can see here. So the input between the make point, these are the latitude and the longitude input. So basically these are the point which are located on the map. So this is the start point. So this particular point has the value as a 56 comma negative of 56 of longitude and latitude, and the same case for the endpoint. And if I change the value here as a 3, I click on apply, so 3 does not appear on the map. So I click on 39. So here, and this is how we can use the make line function to create a line between two points. And for creating the point, we have to use function which is make point function, which help us to create a point. So this is how we can use the make line function in Tableau. And thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for more.